Hello humans, or whoever is watching. So I want to show you how I made this thing. It's actually a triangle. If you look underneath, that's a triangle. And I just copied a circle to the points. And I used the VDB to give this blending effect. So let's dive in. Go back up here. Yep. And I could change the values here or there, whatever I see fit. So this is, I'm just adding points here, 3 points, and each one has a vector, and just connecting the primitives in between to make a triangle. Then with the transform, I used just this $F sign. It'll play with the timeline, so it's each frame is a $F, so it's rotating. You could see the numbers changing. And scale, shear, uniform. I just used a sine and a cosine, plugged in the frame number in there, and it'll go up and down, up and down. That's a sine, that's what it does. Just gave each point a color so that it'll transfer onto this circle, this sphere. When I copy the points, each point will have will transfer its attributes, the color attribute, to the sphere. And I detected the okay, so this is, I'm getting the near points and then fusing them, and now I'm left off with the points, and I'll copy another sphere to the point, so I'll have this mess around the spheres. So whenever they're really close to each other, the near points, so with this with these sliders, I would tell it to look, let's say I'm on this point, it'll search around within a certain distance. Now if I go even further than this, it'll copy this sphere onto everything. But since I'm giving it just enough distance, so it cannot go from this point to that, so it cannot detect the points around it, but it can detect these, because these are really close, but from here to there they're not close enough. So that's what I'm doing with the near points. And afterwards, once we detect those points, we separate them from the rest with an add, and copy them, then merge them back with the spheres. Now all we need to do is VDB, and they'll turn into voxels, so you could see the aliasing. Now back to polygons. subdivide, and with this we can bring back the color attributes from this to these, and blur the color attribute, blur, and there we go. We got ourselves this weird movement using VDB, and all we're doing is just copying a sphere to a triangle. And now I could look at this and go back to the transforms and change it, see like art direct it, see what I like, and then this would happen down here with the VDB. So everything is procedural here. It's really easy to change things, have different results. So that's all for this video. I'll see you in the next one.